Dream bigger, live better, and make an impact. Oh, sorry. Let me look into your eyes and talk. You must be wondering why I was looking at that side and talking. Because majority of the people in this world are directionless. They don't know what to do, where to go. I was no different. Before a mentor came into my life, and everything changed after that. Here, I want to walk you through the journey, my journey from struggles to my happiness, my journey of success, my journey of living my dream lifestyle. I hope it will inspire you. This will motivate you to stay on the course of your journey, and you will have all the courageous to whatever it takes to reach your dream. Let's check it out. Dreaming big is a choice. It's a feeling that can only be realized when you get into your flow. Many big inventions happened since they had dreamed to reach there. How much important it is to dream big, it is much more important to start the journey towards it. Be the maker of our own destiny. I'm Sunil. I started my journey with same vision. I struggled, fell down, rejected, dejected, and gone through lots of ups and downs to reach where I am. When I look back, it was a tough but beautiful journey of learnings. The main reason I was failing is because I did not have clarity about my goals. I didn't have conviction on my way. I was always looking outside for answers without realizing that the real answers to results was all about tapping into my true power within. We are the creator of our own destiny. That's when I started to looking at things differently, doing things differently. I started relearning, re-educating, re-engineering my mind by dropping my ego. I surrendered to my mentors who has built super successful career and businesses, which built around core values I resonate with, such as integrity, authenticity, spirituality, family, and service to mankind. When I started integrating these invisible core values into my life, my business, my career, then results started to change drastically. My vibe attracted my tribe. I started to travel the world and meet great achievers, and more importantly, I could impact people's lives from thousands miles away, sitting at home by leveraging digital power. I could see ripple effect from those people impacting other people. That's the Dream Lifestyle Hub that transpires, inspires one to reach their dream. Dream business model is best way to build a super valuable and profitable business by tapping into the power from within, by leveraging digital resources and power of automation. When you mix these ingredients, you can live a lifestyle of your dream, lifestyle of abundance, and more importantly, impact and inspire millions of lives around the globe. I'm on a mission to help millions of people tap into their power and create their dream lifestyle by encashing their knowledge and skills, by building and nurturing their own tribes, and by being true leader. I believe if I can do it, you can also do it. I know people are waiting for you. This is the best time in the history of the world to impact with your God-given talent. Once you're through this journey, there is no look back. You will feel just like I did. You'll do this rest of your life because I stand for dream. I stand for success and I promote the golden age. And I need your help to make our universe a better place. Storm don't last and dream never perish. There is a long way we need to travel together and the universe needs you.